Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amarie L. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OG, what's good? And as y'all can tell by this hair, it is definitely time to get it together again. And we're going to be doing that with ISEE Hair. They sent me over 5 bundles of their kinky curly hair to do the miracle knot style. And look how pretty the packaging is. So in this gorgeous box also came this gorgeous bag with all the hair in it. It also came with this ISEE Beauty headband, a card with like their business on it and let you know how to find them. And then it also came with the care instructions for how to take care of the hair. And as you can see, they also sell wigs as well. They don't just do the crochet hair. Like I said, in the bag, they did send the hair with it. And this is 5 packs of their kinky curly in 14 inches. Y'all, this hair is so freaking pretty. Look at it. You can see the shine through the package. And they sent over 5, and I will be using all 5. And this is their hair directly out of the pack. As you can see, it is super shiny, it is super bouncy, and not gonna lie, it looks longer than 14 inches. Even though it is 14 inches, it looks a little longer, and I like that. So while that hair is laying out to dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair off. And as you can see, I did 6 sections. So I did 1 part straight down the middle, then I did 1 from ear to ear, and then I did 1 across the nape. And please forgive me, y'all. I don't know what happened to the other video of me like parting off this row. But if you need to know how to part off the rows, I did do another miracle knot video, or just any of my braid videos. It'll show you how I part off my rows. But yeah, I'm just going to use the braid gel around the whole perimeter of this row. And then I'm going to go ahead with my rat tail comb and I'm just going to smooth it in. After parting your rows, you want to go ahead and start parting your boxes. So I try to get down the middle of the box, but as you can see here, sometimes it's not going to be like directly in the middle. So I just try to make the boxes as even as I possibly can. After you part off all your boxes, you're just going to go in and start to plait the boxes. After plaiting about 3 or 4 times, you do want to go in with the moisturizer of your choice. I am just going in with the Texture ID styling cream. It is so moisturizing and I just love the way it makes my hair feel. So yeah, I go in with that and then I comb it in with the rat tail comb and then I just continue to plait the braid. So yeah, y'all, so sectioning off your hair is pretty simple. You're just going to part your rows, line it up with the braid gel, comb it through, smooth it through, and then you're going to part off your boxes, and then you're going to plait your boxes using whatever moisturizing cream or whatever product you want to use, and then that's it. And this is what the back is looking like. So I have 6 rows in the back, and then I'm going to have like 4 rows on each side in the front. And now that all the braids are done, I'm just going to go in with some oil and then just seal in all of that moisture. Y'all, to protect your hair in this style, please make sure it's moisturized. I went ahead and did one off camera, but now I'm going to show you how I did it. So I just take one of the feather crochet pieces, and this is how I put them on the end. If you saw my last video, you saw that it was a little different, but I like to just loop it around the end and then braid it down. To me, this method lasted a little longer. After that, you just want to take your crochet hook and then you're going to find a feather crochet piece, put the thread on it, pull it through, and then loop it through. On the very bottom 2 rows, I believe I did 4 pieces per braid, and then on the rows above that I did, I believe, 5 pieces. As you can see, I did go ahead and finish up majority of the back, and I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to loop the crochet hair in. And as you guys can see, I just start off by looping around the bottom, braid that down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just crochet all the pieces in. This style is so simple, y'all. It does not take no 2 hours like the girlies on TikTok try to say. It takes at least 5 to 6 hours, not gonna lie, but it is so worth it. finished up with the back, and here's what it's looking like so far. And I know that last part was a little sped up, so I'm just doing a more slowed down version for you guys. So pretty much on the very end braid, so it doesn't fall out, I just take the feather crochet hair and then I loop it around the plait at the very end, leaving about like 2-3 inches, and then I'm gonna go ahead and braid that piece down. And to braid down, I am just using that middle piece, the plait, as my third leg of the braid, and then I'm using the 2 other pieces and braiding that down. And then now you want to make sure your latch is open when you push the latch through the hair. And then you're going to take the hair and sit it on the latch and then close it. Then you're going to pull through. You're going to make a loop. And then you're going to pull through again. And it's literally that simple, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is literally the easiest style that you can do. Like, you don't even have to have perfect parts. And y'all, here is the finished look. I do feel like this took me forever and a day, but this is what it's looking like dry. You see how fluffy it is. You see how movable these curls are, like just stiff wear. Also, y'all, I did want to try some face framing on this curl, but I didn't want to cut too much just in case I messed it up, you know what I'm saying? So I did just take the front 2 braids and then I'm just gonna like diagonal cut just so I can get a little bit of face framing going on. And this is kind of what it's looking like. Not too much, but I am going to wet the hair down and put some mousse on it. So I'm just going to split the hair in 4 sections, and then I'm going to go ahead and define these curls. So I'm just going to take my spray bottle, and it's just warm water and some conditioner. And then I'm really going to drench this hair because I want to make sure the foam kind of like sets in it, you know, like I really want to make sure these curls is popping. Then I'm just going to take this hair mousse. You can use whichever mousse or foam or whatever you'd like to use. This is just what I have on hand. And then I'm just going to lather it on the section and just like rake my fingers through it. Y'all, this hair is so freaking soft. Y'all can't tell from the video, obviously, but it's just so soft. Like, this hair is for sure 100% human hair, and I absolutely love that because I've gotten some supposedly 100% human hair before, but I know a premium blend when I see one. And I'm just finishing up this last section. So like I said, y'all, I literally just use warm water, conditioner, and some mousse. And this is the final look for that. And y'all, when I tell y'all, this hair looks so cute in its little wet and wavy stage, but it also looks so cute when it's like fully dry as well. Y'all did y'all thing with this one, ISEE Hair. Y'all for sure did. And now I'm just going to show you guys some quick styles that I did on this hair. This is the only style I got when it was like extremely fresh. But I'm going to show y'all some styles on this hair like literally a month later. And y'all going to see this hair still is top tier. So again, y'all, these are all the styles with this hair being like a month old. Literally gonna take it out like tomorrow or something. But this is the first style and I really like this. All you gotta do is throw you a little scarf on, pull some pieces out, do your edges, and it's super cute. And for the second style, I just did like 2 plaits on the side and then I put them in the back and made a little bun. And this is also so cute. And for this style, we're just doing a simple, cute side part. Y'all, look at this hair. It's literally a month old. Like, my boxes look a little raggedy, but the hair itself, like, y'all can't tell me that this hair still don't look good. And for this next style, we just did everybody's favorite, and it's just a half up, half down. Y'all, I know I keep saying it, but look at this hair. ISEE Hair, but just look at this hair, y'all. A month old. I still can't believe it. And last but not least, it's just this high ponytail. It is so super simple and so super cute. And I just want to say thank you so much to ISEE Hair for sending me over 5 packs of their Kinky Curly 14-inch feather crochet hair. Y'all did y'all big one with this one. But hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.